My door is frozen shut, but it's ajar, so it's not even closed completely. This is such a pain. Apparently the township is calling a state of emergency and pulling all the plows off the road. This is unreal. Hey guys, it's Katie Kate on the Homestead. Just a quick update from Snowmageddon. I managed to make it outside to get the dogs out and feed the barn animals, dig out the chicken coop and check on the birds. Otherwise, I am completely snowed in up to my mid-thigh in snow out there. It's blowing a gale, drifting like crazy. Wish me luck in the days to come. I've already been out and shoveled and fed the animals, and it's completely drifted over again. You can't go out, buddy. It's a snowstorm. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, well, that's it, guys. Just a quick update here. I'm buried on the homestead. And like I said, wish me luck digging out. I'll keep you posted. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, staying kind, staying warm. I'm Katie Kate on the Homestead. And I'll see you later.